TierPoint is proud to announce new public cloud reporting capabilities in the TierPoint Services portal for TierPoint customers utilizing Microsoft Azure. This public cloud data is aggregated and available for consumption in the Cloud Essentials user interface as well as the TierPoint Services portal. TierPoint customers utilizing Azure can view the Cloud Essentials portal page by selecting the Cloud Essentials link on the Services drop-down menu on the TierPoint Services portal homepage. Cloud Essentials is configured for single sign-on, so no login should be necessary. Logging into the TierPoint Public Cloud Essentials portal will navigate the user to the Dashboards page. This page contains a series of dashboards specific to the TierPoint customers' Azure subscriptions. The total monthly cost by service dashboard will display a graphical representation of the monthly spend for subscribed consumption SKUs for the last 6 months. Mousing over any graph will display individual cost information for a specific subscription as a tooltip. The total daily cost dashboard will display a graphical representation of the daily cost for a subscribed consumption SKU for every day over the previous month. The compute cost by service dashboard will display a graphical representation of the compute cost for specific services such as storage, virtual machines, virtual networks, and bandwidth broken down in weekly increments. The database cost by service dashboard will display a graphical representation of the cost of leveraging database usage, broken down in weekly increments. As a user with Cloud Manager or Account Manager role, you may create your own reports and dashboard views if you wish. The Best Practices page displays a series of notifications, color-coded according to severity. Red stop sign equals high. Yellow triangle equals warning. Yellow exclamation mark equals alert, and green check equals low. The list is broken down into tabs separated by topic: security, cost, availability, usage. Azure Advisor, which is a recommendation service that analyzes customers' configuration and usage, then helps the user follow Azure best practices to optimize Azure resources for reliability, security, operational excellence, performance, and cost. Azure Security Center, which is a recommendation service to assess the security state of all cloud services running in Azure. Users can filter the notifications by importance by choosing the desired filter and clicking the filter button. Selecting the title of the notification will open a panel containing information specific to that notification. Clicking on the Read More link will open a detailed explanation of the notification, and clicking Read Less will close it. This panel contains a listing of items relevant to the notification, as well as a chart that gives a graphical representation over 30 days. The Cost Savings Report is designed to demonstrate the possible savings by following the Best Practices report for cost. The Snapback dropdown allows users to view the report for previous days. The Save as CSV button will allow users to export the report as a CSV file. The Download PDF button will allow users to download the report as a PDF. The Bookmark icon will save the report as a favorite, and the Export Summary button will download the report as a CSV file. The Idle Resources panel will list the resources that are currently idle. Selecting the plus icon will expand the panel to display detailed information about idle resources and what those individual resources are costing the customer. In addition to idle resources, the Cost Savings dashboard will alert users to unused resources in a similar panel. TierPoint customers utilizing Azure also have the option to view their usage data in the TierPoint Services portal. Customers can navigate to these reports by selecting Reports in the Resources drop-down menu. The Azure Billing Report will display the Azure Consumption, Essentials Fee, Professional Fee, and total monthly spend for the current month and the previous month. Below the dashboard, users can see a complete listing of each Azure subscription that lists SKU, meter, subscription, and total cost. Selecting either the PDF or CSV icons will export the list of the Azure subscriptions as a PDF or CSV file, respectively. Selecting the LifeRing icon will allow the user to submit a case for that Azure subscription.